guys, it's Gina and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are. And in today's video, we have one of our Jeffree Star mystery boxes. We have two other ones that are coming, but because I ordered them separately, they're coming separately, and if you ordered more than one box, they come separately anyway. So, this is the big box. This is the one that was $160, and there's 13 items in here. So, we are going to open it up, and I'm going to show you everything, swatch everything, and we're going to see what I got. If you want, you can check out my other unboxing videos that I have of his boxes. The last one was a summer one, I did his Valentine's Day one, and I did his first ever mystery box, which was in the winter time. So, without further ado, let's get right on into the video. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. I love the packaging. You can't even see my face. This thing's like actually pretty heavy. It says 7 pounds on the thing, so like, we excited. I love getting his mystery boxes. And I actually purchased more than one this time. I just got tape on the scissors. I purchased more than one this time because he said that there were different exclusive items in each box. So I was like, okay, I want to see if that's true, and we're gonna get all the boxes. Because you know, why the hell not? Everyone knows that I freaking love Jeffree Star. He is my favorite YouTuber for makeup. He's my favorite YouTuber, like, in general. And I just love him. I love his brand. Is the best, like, makeup brand. It's always consistent. I never have any complaints, not even with the crazy shades that he has, because that's literally him. And if you don't want the crazy shades, then don't get them. Like, for if you can buy them, and if you do get crazy shades in here, in his mystery box, just use them as eyeliner, because they're universal and they are a bomb for eyeliners. I'm telling you. All right, we have this bad boy is, oh, this thing's open. Holy crap. Okay. Okay, I just thought I know. All right. All right. So we literally just got a tracksuit. A full-on tracksuit, and there's still stuff in here. So we got the tracksuit pants. These are orange. I'm always down for these. I'll wear them as pajamas. They feel really nice. I'm a size small. All right, so we got those, and we got a jacket. And this is the jacket. I literally was just talking about saying that I wanted one of his tracksuits. That's funny. All right. That's cool. On the ground, they feel very nice. I am a small, like I said, so just for, like, if you're just wondering. All right, so we have, this is a velour liquid lip scrub in cucumber mint. So this is from the summer collection, I believe, because it's a chartreusey green. This is what the packaging looks like. Let's smell it. Ooh, it smells really good. This is what it looks like on the inside. It smells really good. I like that smell. So that's a bomb box. All right, next thing is in this container. We got a mini breaker palette. There's an actual eyeshadow palette in here. Holy crap! I will open this up if you guys have not seen what the mini breaker palette looks like. We've never gotten eyeshadow palettes in here before. Wow. This is insane. Here's the mini breaker. It comes with, I believe there's only 2 shades that are in the big Jawbreaker palette, but you have Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, Oral, Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum Bite Me, and Hot Fudge. Now, I do have this already because I am a freaking Jeffree Star fanatic, so I'm gonna grab it, that way I can swatch it for you guys. Alright, so this is my mini breaker palette. I don't mind getting doubles. All right, so we're gonna swatch. We got Double Scoop, Orange Crush, Foreplay, and Oral. And I'll swatch some on my hand for you guys. I really do like his shades because you could build them up. So that's why I'm going over them a little bit so you can see what they look like built up. But these are the shades right here. Those are the first 4 in the thing. Let me get a makeup wipe. Like, he actually gave a palette. That's insane. All right, we got that off. We're gonna go into Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, and Bite Me. That's what these look like. And Bubblegum is literally, it's so pastel-y, but it is so pretty. Like, I love it. I really do. And these shades, they like kind of come over my, okay, we're going this way. They kind of come over onto this side. So we have Purple Punch, Slice, Bubblegum, and Bite Me. And then the last one we have is Hot Fudge, which I need to do a little bit better because I just had makeup remover on. And that's what Hot Fudge looks like. I'm horrible at swatches, like we all know this, but that is sick. We're gonna take these off my hand. I think that's really cool. A lot of people were bummed that they didn't get palettes in these, and now we do have palettes, so that's cool. Like, that's really, really awesome. And Mini Jawbreaker is literally amazing, so like, it's all good. All right, we got more in this box. All right, we have a Velour Liquid Lip. This is in Yummy, which is from the summer collection as well. So it's got this pretty chartreuse makeup, and this is the color. I will swatch this on the back of my hand for you. This is a sheer lip ammo. It's like a lip topper, but as you can see, let me try to get it a little bit more now that it's actually warmed up. It is purple and it's reflectant and it's very pretty. I do like these, so I'm very pumped on this one. Next. We got a Supreme, yes! Okay, we got a Supreme Frost in Caramel Kiss. This is also from the summer collection, which I honestly don't care. This is Caramel Kiss. It is so pretty. I'm gonna swatch this. It's literally what it looks like. This is what it looks like on my hand, and it is very beautiful of a shade. Now I love his Supreme Frost because they're great for lip toppers. So next we have the shade is Venus Flytrap, which I don't have, and I'm actually excited for having because I love, like I said, using these for eyeliners, Halloween looks, and even though it is this pink, not pink, the packaging's pink, it is this chartreuse color. I also am a big makeup collector, so having his lipsticks and stuff to me is like a big deal. So that's just how I am. This is the shade it comes in. Obviously not for everybody. If you want to wear it, you can. If not, you don't have to. All right. So next we have, we have a lip liner. I never talk. We have a lip liner. This is in Scorpio, so I don't have this shade. Okay. Honestly, I'm not the biggest fan of how this stuff is in the packaging. That's just me though, like in the container it comes in. All right, so this is his packaging for it. This is the shade. I will swatch it for you guys. Like I said, this is in the shade Scorpio, so. Oh, that is gorgeous. It's so freaking creamy. That's it right there. Ooh. Oh yeah, okay, and we got a Halloween metal straw, which I saw people complaining the last time about getting a metal straw, but like, hello? They're one of his big things now. Save the turtles, people. Like, this isn't being environmental safe and it's cool. Like, who cares if you got a metal straw? It's awesome. On this says, be iconic, classy with Jeffree Star approved Halloween metal straw. So this is a special Halloween item. All right. We just got his minis of the Love Me, Love Me, Love Me Not lippies. People, this comes with 2, 4, 6, 8. We have Doll Parts, Calabasas, Wifey, Watermelon Soda, Anna Nicole, Prom Night, Red Rum, and Unicorn Blood. I'm speechless. Let's swatch these bad boys. Putting it back in the box. All right, so we got Doll Parts. This is what Doll Parts look like. Like, he really stepped up his game from the last mystery boxes. I'm gonna do a couple and then show you the camera. This is Calabasas. I'm a sucker for pink nudes. And we have Wifey. And we're gonna do Watermelon Soda and then I'll show you. We got, this is Watermelon Soda. I mean, this is bomb, people. Oh my goodness. All right. So, this was, I remember where I put it. Wifey, Doll Parts, Calabasas, Watermelon Soda. Right there. I'm gonna pull up this ponytail. Next we have Anna Nicole. And we have his iconic Prom Night. We have Red Rum, which these are his iconic shades, and Unicorn Blood, which is like, I think his most popular red, other than Red Rum. Maybe it's supposed to be Red Drum. Red Rum sounds correct. Oh, and this was Unicorn Blood, by the way. All right, so you got Anna Nicole, which is an orangey red, Prom Night, Unicorn Blood, and Red Rum, all right here. These are very gorgeous. I can't believe we freaking got one of these. Like, this just makes the box itself, because this is already, these were like 50 bucks, I think, on their own. All right, that's sick. I want to save the lippy till the end, but we got his Prom Night, Jeffree Star Prom Night. This is a Halloween, I want to say. This is his record of it. Look at how cool this is. Look at this picture. Iconic queen. This is cool. So it's got Prom Night and then Prom Night Remix on it. All right. I could dig that. Okay, that's cool. And then we have a mirror. I gotta open this box. And the mirror is in what shade? Orange. The orange one. The classic orange star mirror. I wonder if this is the same size as his other one. Pause. Okay, it is. It just looked a little bit smaller, but I have the red one from the past mystery box. But we have the orange one. Look at this. Beautiful. Okay, we're gonna put this one back in his box. So we don't need anything happening to that one now, do we? No. Oh, jeez. I'm running out of room. All right, okay. Okay, the sleeves gotta stay down. And we have the Mystery Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Zombie Kiss. So it looks like it's gonna be a purple. Kinda hope it's purple. Oh, it's a sparkly purple, look at this. All right, so this is in Zombie Kiss. This is one of the exclusive shades that we get in the box. That's the shade. That is the shade. Holy crap! This is, one, this packaging is in the orange and black. Adorable. This is cute. I love it. I love it. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't believe this mystery box. Like, I enjoyed opening this mystery box. I enjoyed this video. I cannot believe this mystery box. We finally got a palette. You got a minis of the liquid lips. We got 2 liquid lips, lip liner, a lip scrub, a Supreme Frost, and a velour lip. Like the lipstick. A freaking his prom night record, a tracksuit. Those would be the 4, because this came with the 4 Halloween exclusives, so it would be the Zombie Kiss, the Straw, the Prom Night, and the Mirror, which I think is actually pretty cool. I'm not just saying that because to seem like it's cool. I actually do enjoy everything that I got. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a big thumbs up if you got your own mystery box or if you like mystery box videos. And give this video, I already said a thumbs up. Click the notification bell so you know every time that I upload a video. And hit that subscribe button and join the fam. We'd love to have you. And I'll see you guys in the next video with most likely another mystery box. Bye guys.